finished carving out this foot. So you can see the difference from this here, this here. So this one is done, and I've sanded it down. I've drilled a hole in here so we can put our screw in, because we're going to glue it and screw it in. So we're going to mount our ankle onto this. I'm using an 1 5/8 inch screw here. Keep that from breaking off. So we'll set this aside, let it set up, and then I'll take some wood filler and we'll kind of smooth this out with it and then sand that down, and then this will be done. So we're going to go ahead and do the same with this one here so we get it looking the same. And then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.